Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the multimodal feature of OfficeIQ Chat. So here is the OfficeIQ Chat interface. You can see multiple AI models available like Gemini 2.5 Pro, GPT-4, DeepSeek R1. If you scroll down, you will find more models here. You can see Grok AI, Gemini 1.5 Flash, GPT-4o Mini and many more. To start, simply choose a model. I will select GPT-4. Let's say I want to write a 300-word article on the role of AI in modern marketing. So I will write the prompt. The AI generates the content. If you want to see different perspectives, you can easily switch models from here. I will switch to Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can even try another model like Grok 2 to generate a third version. After generating all three versions, you can view them side by side. This makes it easy to compare and choose the best one. Once you find the version you like, you can copy it directly from here. If you like it, hit the like button or dislike it if it's not what you want. Finally, you can save the content as a PDF or doc file from here. And that's it. That's how you can use multiple AI models in OfficeIQ Chat to create and compare content efficiently all in one place.